going now to check in. Welcome gift from cute toys. At nakapag-check-in na kami guys. We are, ang ingay ng Mother Nature ko. We are now staying at they call that Dorsett Hotel in Wanchai area. Napakaganda guys. We are actually, they gave us the last floor and a very good view. That's up. Supposed to be yung check-in is around 2:30, but ano pa ngayon? Let me check. Pa ngayon, 1:15 p.m. pa, pero pinag-check-in nila kami ng early. So nice. Yung room lang namin, family siya. So, 2 bed here and namin dito share. Napakaganda. Ito yung view namin, guys. Ayan. There's a coin here.
Wi-Fi hotspot.
Oh, cool.
Do you have your channels for...
The channels, yeah, you can just put the channels on here.
Our complaint now. Supposed to be really need to pay for like 231, and then the funny thing is yung binayaran namin is naging 477 Hong Kong dollar. That's too expensive.
It's really like adjust the
Yeah,
price.
that's great. Kasi guys, yung chika ko about sa Uber namin. Beware din kayo sa Uber ng ano dito guys sa sa Hong Kong. Kahit naka-monitor yung ano nila, yung mapping GPS nila dito, gumagawa pa rin sila ng paraan na mag-cheat guys. It's supposed to be 30 minutes lang yung transfer ride namin. Sa second hotel, naging 1 hour, Darlinda? Naging 1 hour siya guys kasi dinaan pa kami sa bukid sa Lantaw Island. Nakakaloka. So ayun, naging 2 times yung binayaran namin. Kaya we complain. At then maganda din naman sa Uber kasi they found out naman na wrong talaga. Mali talaga yung driver nila. Tsaka we will be refunded after 3 days, darling na. So yun, beware kayo guys, Uber driver dito sa Hong Kong kasi ganun din sila dito. Ito pala yung binigay sa amin guys since we did book the family room dito. So they give us, akala nila may baby kami. They give us this cute stuffed toy at saka free drink and snacks. Ayun, so ibibigay namin to kay Matutina. Matutina, pupunta kami ngayon sa ano guys, sa Hong Kong Central. So may free pala na phone na magagamit mo tong hotel na to, which is they have a internet for direction, Google Map. Yan, ready na sila. Ayan, palabas na kami. This one. Oh, ayan. So we are passing by around Wanchai Market, guys. Ayan yung market na Lavz, huh? Bumili kami ng chocolates dito. Maraming bargain sila dito guys. Buy to get one free. Kami namili ng chocolates guys. Sobrang mura. Maraming bargainings. Dito kami sa welcome store guys. Mili kami ng noodles.
Spicy ha? Pagkuha ng spicy na. Magdala man po si ate.
Ay, itong mga ano ng Hong Kong drinks. Nag-take out pala kami ng hotdog grill guys. Jollibee. Dito kami sa Jollibee Central. Ayan. So, pabalik na kami ng hotel guys. Nag-taxi na kami kasi ang dami namin dala. Grabe. We went to welcome to market. Ayan. Besh. Okay pa ka, Besh? Nag-take out lang pala kami sa Jollibee. Ito yung mga dala namin. Ayan, pa isa. Andito pa isa. Ayan pa. Okay. Gutom na ako. Actually, what time is it, ha?
Huwag pa nito lang. 6:40 na.
6:40, 7:15 na pala. Yeah, wala kaming lunch. So, Jollibee ang aming dinner ngayon. Balik na kami ng hotel. Look at that. Dito kami nagstay sa Dorsett. So we are back in hotel guys. So magdi-dinner muna kami. 7 na ngayon. Yung in-order namin is spaghetti, jolly hotdog. Ayan, everything is same lang.
Pinoy na Pinoy.
Oh,
Hi, let's eat na.
jolly hot dog.
Yeah, haven't told you that I haven't shared to you guys a review. It's super nicey. So, 7 o'clock, ganito pa siya. Medyo may not sunlight, pero may, ano pa siya, medyo daylight. Daylight? Basta. Hayag pa siya in Bisaya.
Let's kill this love inside that you. Kill this love before it kills. Cheerleader. Darna! Bil. Wow!